I didn't plan on making a video, so I got actually halfway through this project and realized that maybe somebody else might find this information useful. This Suburban came with factory running boards, which I mean, I don't like them at all. And these were, I think they're fiberglass, and these were broken, so we wanted to put Z71 steps on. But as you know, the Z71s have all this plastic cladding that goes in between the side step and the body, and what it actually does is it hides the brackets. And as you can see, the Z71 side steps use this bracket system that actually rivets into the body. And I did not want to drill into the nice body of my non-Z71 Suburban. And so what I did, pulled the running boards off, and as it turns out, they line up perfectly with the brackets for the running boards. The only thing you have to do is remove the very last bracket, because it'll actually hit the tube on the end. And what I did on the other side, and I'll go around and show you, is actually cut these brackets right here, right in the middle of the bolt hole. That allows the side step to really slide up in there and be firm. And you're also going to have to re-drill the holes, but this is what it looks like mocked up. And what I'll show you is how well the brackets actually kind of slide into each other, and cutting the end of the bracket off allows it to sit a little bit more inward and a little more flush. So I'll have to re-drill the holes. Probably going to use the holes from the C71 side steps and just drill through the metal bracket. But you can see the ends that were actually cut off. And now I had this, like I said, it's mocked up, and I've stood on it, and it's fine for me. And I'm about 185 pounds, so I don't know. It has a little bit of flex because these brackets aren't quite as heavy duty as the Z71s. So you kind of take that into consideration, how big the people are going to be getting in out of this Suburban. We have 4 kids. They're all pretty small. That's the only reason I'm keeping side steps on here. But yeah, I'll check back in after I get all the holes drilled and look at it again. Alright, so what I ended up doing is pulled them off and put them in the drill press and drill the extra hole on each one of them. And I've actually got it all put together on the other side, so we'll go look at that. Went down to Lowe's and just got a little bit longer hardware than what was used originally on these, and just bolted them through all the way down. And under here, there it is. And it seems pretty sturdy. Like I said, I'm 185 pounds and I can get on it. There isn't much deflection. I mean, I wouldn't jump up and down on them, but there it is. Now all I got to do is put the other side on, clean it up, and I'm gonna hit those with some paint so they don't stand out as bad. The hardware, that is.